Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the timer in Scrap Mechanic. This is going to be especially useful if you want to make more advanced circuitry and many other things. So the first thing you'll need to do is find this hideout, farmers, and secondly you'll need to acquire these caged farmers, one of them, and use a vehicle that is able to transport them to this hideout, and then just place them inside of this red area. Use the delivered button. And now go to the hideout right here, and you'll be able to trade the caged farmer for the timer right here. So just click on trade, and this is going to give you the schematic for the timer. Now you can find the timer inside of a craft bot, and you can craft it from some metal block level 1s, circuit boards, and glue. So just go ahead and craft it. Once it's done crafted, collect it, and now to use it, you want to place it down and use the connect tool to connect it to, let's say, a switch, just like this. And nextly, you want to set the time that is going to be needed to pass for the timer to send the signal out. So you can set it inside of seconds or inside of ticks. And let's say we'll set it to 2 seconds. And when we press the switch or a button, it is going to fill the timer up, and after 2 seconds it is going to light up light. And if we stop pressing the switch, it is also going to take 2 seconds to stop using the light. So this is pretty much all how to get the timer Scrap Mechanic. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.